It's O.G.B.O, Mega Man codes. My dad has this saying, when you see the lightning, get ready for the storm. So you've been with this person for several years. All of a sudden, their routine changes. Or change is coming. The person that loves you, been trying to fight for you, been trying to reason with you. They started off talking. Clearly you wasn't listening. Now they fuss. Still you're not listening. Soon you begin to notice they're not saying anything. A change is coming. Change always comes before the manifestation, good or bad. Watch the signs. And remember, when you see lightning, get ready for the storm. O.G.B.O, Mega Man codes. Till next time. Peace.